What's up, guys? Today I'll be talking about iPhone 11 series. I have here iPhone 11, and then I have 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So I'm going to show you two different ways how you can reset or how to reset your phone with or without losing data. So I'm going to show you both ways. First, I'll show you the simple way how you can reset it, which is called like factory reset as well. So to do that, you have to go to settings, then you go to general, and then scroll all the way down to where it says transfer or reset iPhone. So you tap there, and then here you choose erase all contents and setting. So, and I don't want to continue and erase it, but that's how you can factory reset your iPhone. And mind you, you're gonna lose all the data. If you want to erase the phone, then you choose this method. And the second method I'm going to show you, that's called hard reset in iPhone term. So how you do hard reset is just button combination, and you do not lose any data or any settings in it. And you only hard reset if your iPhone is having a software glitch or behaving weird, or minor problems, touch is not working. So to do hard reset, you press and quickly release the volume up button, and then press and release volume down button, and hold the power button on the right here. So we're gonna do it right now. So press and release volume down, and hold the power button. So you'll see this slide to power off button on the top, and you keep holding the power button, screen will go blank, and after that you'll see the Apple will reappear just now. There we go. And keep holding it until you see Apple, and then you let go. Now this method is called hard reset, and mind you, a lot of people get confused. Hard reset does not mean that you're gonna lose the data. Okay, it's just you're getting it a hard reset to fix any software glitches or all that. As you can see, all the apps and everything is there, and that's it. And the next video I'll show you, if you forgot passcode, how you can remove the passcode. Okay, so I'll see you in next video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.